Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will open our hearts to others as they are, coming to accept each living being for the humanity they share with us. To get started, take a moment to come into a comfortable seated position. Let your crown extend up towards the ceiling as your spine straightens. And then let your chest open to whatever degree is comfortable for you. Your hands can rest on your thighs or in your lap, and your eyes can gently come to a close now if they have not yet done so. Take a few moments to tune into the natural flow of the breath as you open yourself up to this present moment. With eyes closed to the world around you, note the space that you occupy. Feel into the strength of the surface supporting you here. And then envision the walls and the space that surrounds you. Now soften the forehead, your jaw, your chest, and any other areas of tension as you ground further into this practice. And then come back to the rhythm of your breath, inviting it a bit deeper for a few moments of silence before we explore further. Accepting others as they are is not always a simple task. The more intimate a relationship is, or the more time we spend with a particular person, the more difficult it can be to embrace their differences from us. Perhaps you struggle to accept the views or behaviors of a work colleague, a family member, a friend, or a partner. Coming to accept them as they are requires a surrender of our need for them to change. What acceptance does not mean is that we must continue to be close with a particular person, or that we should silence our needs and feelings. Especially in cases of abuse, it is imperative that we continue to take self-loving action to keep ourselves safe. What acceptance does ask of us, however, is that we honor the humanity of the person we have difficulties with, and perhaps that we open our hearts to believing that they are doing their best. Through acceptance, we soften resistance and control, and in doing so, we create space for things to change naturally. When we accept others as they are, we honor their beauty and their goodness, and that creates an energy conducive of real, authentic change. In the words of Melody Beattie, for anything to change or anyone to change, we must first accept ourselves, others, and the circumstances exactly as they are. Once we accept and embrace things as they are, we are better able to move forward with courage and compassion. So let us take a moment now to practice this. Begin by taking a few slow and steady breaths, grounding your attention in the heart space. As you connect with your loving center, imagine your capacity for acceptance growing wider. Now, I invite you to draw to mind something about someone you struggle to accept at this moment in time. It might be a partner's messy nature, a colleague's tendency to control team meetings, or any small grievance felt through your relationship with someone you know. On a scale from 1 to 10 of difficulty, let your choice of grievance be around a 4. Now hold this person in your heart and mind, witnessing them in their most human state. Look into their eyes, honoring that they, like you, have walked their own path to arrive at where they are at. Note that they, like you, have a unique set of genes, experiences, and personality traits that make them who they are. Now, with their image held in your heart, take a moment to silently repeat the following words to this person. I accept you as you are. I honor our shared humanity. I wish you peace, love, and happiness. Take one last moment to see if you might, in this moment, accept this person exactly as they are for their humanity. And then let their image dissolve as you come back to the breath. Follow the breath's natural ebb and flow for just a few more cycles. Draw your attention to the earth beneath you, rooting yourself back into this present moment. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.